Daisy, we're on. Daisy, we're on. Huh? Let me cue my clothes, for God's sake. Please, let me cue my clothes in peace. No, we're recording. Oh, wait, what? Oh, Daisy, come here. We are recording. Okay? You can't. You are so sassy. Look. Hey. Oh, you saw nothing. Hey, anyways. Hey, guys. It's Bucky here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about Big Fat Daddy, and he's totally not fat. I just like calling him.
I'm fat, P-H-A-T, fat. Like cool fat.
And I like calling, oh, no, break time. I'm like, no, you can't stop me. You will never 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 stop me. We're recording right now. Really, Daisy? We're recording. Say hi. Oh, hi, camera. Okay, you have to look at the camera. You have to look at the camera. No, hey. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the Hey, Daisy, no. Hey, I want to cue my clothes. Let me cue my freaking clothes already. Yeesh. Let me cue my... No. You can't cue your clothes, silly. That's a big old no-no. It's a no-no. No. Okay, so you're recording. Oh, anyways, I'm just gonna cue some clothes while I talk. So yeah, so Big Fat Daddy is like so fat that he's not fat. Like, that's so weird. But how? Like, I don't understand. I just want to hug this leg already. What to do? How do I call this? Oh, yeah, Big Fat Daddy. Big Fat Daddy, Big Fat Daddy, Big Fat Daddy, Big Fat Daddy. And, oh, this is a big fat leg. All right. And make me fly. Make me fly. Yeah, okay. I'll make you fly as long as you don't bite. Oh, come here. Come here, Daisy. Okay, I just need to grab on real quick. I just need to grab onto your legs. Come on. Grab on my leg. Okay, well, that's the end for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that Big Fat Daddy, and I'll see you later. Bye, Big Fat Daddies.